The news industry is transforming rapidly, driven by technology. From print to digital, the mission remains the same. News is now delivered in real time across multiple devices. AI is revolutionizing news production and consumption.
AI tools help journalists gather, analyze, and deliver news. These tools streamline operations and enhance accuracy. AI provides clarity in a world flooded with data.
Deepseek revolutionizes online search. It understands context, not just keywords, delivering precise results. It analyzes articles, social media posts, and videos, providing a comprehensive view. Deepseek curates relevant sources, filtering out noise for quick, accurate information.
In our fast-paced world, news becomes outdated quickly. Deepseek excels in real-time news updates. It scans the internet for updates, identifying breaking news stories, tracking story evolution and public sentiment.
Crucial for understanding trends, helping journalists grasp event impacts.
Let's talk about ChatGPT, a master of language, generates human-quality text, not involved in news gathering.
Assists journalists, summarizes reports, drafts articles, frees up journalists.
AI tools like Deepseek and ChatGPT revolutionize news by enhancing data analysis and content generation. They assist journalists in making informed decisions and reporting accurately. Embracing these technologies is crucial for adapting to the fast-paced media landscape. The future of news is here, powered by AI. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe.